We don't buy cheap things in
So, ganun. Oo nga, hindi kasi bumibili ng mamumurahin doon. Like, so many apples. Sa city, nasa city pa kayo guys ha. You are not out of the city.
There's more one there.
This bridge guys,
This is for sure the same age like the monastery.
13th century. So guys, we are here in Park Verde Alcobaza. Ito isa sa mga park namin dito sa city. Let's go papa. So I have a date today. Maglalakad tayo. Nandun po kasi yung ano namin.
When you walk here, it's the same.
Yes, this is what I'm saying. So meron sila ditong green.
That's on the dog.
This is a trash can.
You can put it there inside.
Yes. Well, in Japan and in Korea, you have to pick it up and put it in your LV bag.
This is next to
In Japan, it's not true.
when you go to Buya or something.
In Japan, the poop of the dog, they put it.
Like that too.
Yeah.
In Tokyo.
They put it in. They put it in the LV bag. That's true. It's been in Japan. So dito guys,
This is my LV bag for them.
natatakot ako kasi parang I don't know, why do you really make it like this?
No, this is like I always say. They put normal sand, but the sand has big stones. The fine sand. goes to
Settle.
soil, settle. The stones stand up.
Okay. Foamy. Yung pink na building na pinakita ko sa inyo last time, yun doon.
Nurses there, and this was belonged to the nurses before to
Nuns.
nuns.
So, ganyan. Dito yung, dito yung sa aming dentist. May schedule kasi ako dyan, guys. Ipapaano ko yung aking ngipin. These are for drainage, Papa. That's why.
Suppose it should be a fountain, right?
Yes.
There's no fountain.
Yeah, supposedly, no?
Fountain.
Hindi pala to way. Ay. So yun guys, yung school actually ni Beatrice. Yung actually school ni Beatrice, andun lang oh. Yan, ikutin mo lang. Andyan yung school ni Beatrice. Yan. Andyan yung school ni Bea. Tapos dito, yung playground. Yan. Mag-work kayo dyan. I'm making video. Work without salary. Beatrice. work without salary. Ako yun. Work without salary. So, ito yung playground nila dito. Yan. It's a walkie-talkie.
Why is that Wi-Fi?
Yeah. No, it's a design. It's a design. Look. It's nice flower, guys.
But you know, one thing is missing all of this. Where's the trash bin? It's there. Compound.
It's there. Yan. This is the playground. Palagi dito si Beatrice dati. Let's walk there in the river, Papa.
Good sir.
I-down natin yung camera pag may mga tao. So ito guys, dito yung river. Ayan. Malinis naman siya, no? It looks clean.
Yeah, looks good. Cleaner than that water. They keep the old bridge. This is still good.
Why?
It was one of the bridges that lived inside the city in old times.
Oh, really?
And this was the one that was protecting the city itself. The castle was on top.
Uh-huh.
The main entrance for the horses or something was this bridge. This bridge just there's more one there.
This bridge, guys.
So they pass first. They pass first in front of for the nuns. Then they go to the church.
Because the monastery is here, guys.
Yes.
This is the passage going to monastery. So this is really old, Papa.
Oh, this is for sure the same age like the monastery.
13th century. So, yan. Noon guys, magpunta yan doon. No need to remove. Uy, we don't need that. Fig 2 guys, fig 3. This one.
Oh, they are so new. Blooming. Look, this is a winter tree. This one's good.
Yes, fig 3 is a winter tree. Oh, may mga apple guys, oh. Yeah.
Nice, beautiful apple there.
So many red.
So nice in the sun there.
No? So many there. That's why they put here, oh, to cover. So many apples there. Like, so many apples. Sa city, nasa city pa kayo guys, ah. You are not out of the city. That po. Oh, so many apples there.
What are you taking care of it?
I think they harvest, Papa.
Trees are not trimmed, nothing.
Ayan, oh.
It's like forest trees, nothing.
Doon. Doon ang dentist. Doon yung school ni Beatrice. Doon. Yan.
Someone gets stuck there, the tractor, the nuts.
So, yeah. Pwede na tayong umuwi.
Nice to sit here in the sun. Now it's too cold, but in summer,
If I live here in the city, I will always walk here every day. No?
you don't have too much work. It's okay.
You can volunteer too. So, we are going off na because we're heading to our dentist na sa main natin na target dito. We can pass here to, shortcut, no? No, you don't want? So guys, gumawa tayo ng coleslaw. Ito. Natapos na natin. This is only cabbage. Yan. And mayonnaise, sugar, lemon, black pepper, and ano natin? Yung garlic powder. Black pepper powder. Garlic powder. So ito. Alam nyo yung i-prepare natin dito. Nag-grill po ako ng nag-grill po. Because guys, this is perfect with yan. This is perfect with grilled pork. Nag-grill po tayo ng pork guys. This is our grilled pork. Yan. Dito lang natin ginrill sa taas ng ating oven. At saka yung rice natin ay luto na. So, ganyan. So, we're going to wait and we're gonna eat na. This is our lunch for today. Sarap, no? Dalawa lang. Dahil wala naman yung anak namin. So, 2 slices lang of pork. So, guys, today we are home late. 6:30 na. Normally, we are here 5:30, 6:30. Kasi 1 hour na doon kami sa kanila. Because today is a celebration of Saint San Martino. So, Martino. So, ganun. So, it's about this celebration. Nag-grill kami ng kastanya sa bahay nila. Today, nag-take out ako from Lola. Pero ang dami ko nang kinain doon. Tapos si Beatrice, meron din siya from school. Kasi nagdala sila ng kastanya sa school. So, ngayon, may dala din siya. Tingnan natin yung dala ni Beatrice. Let's see what you've got here, Bea. Ah, you have boiled castañas. Oh, what is this? Ah, this is boiled, no? Ah, they have boiled castañas.
Boiled.
Ah, so they have boiled castañas. Dito, kasi sa school naman to galing. Tapos, ang sa kay Lola naman, ito, ano siya, masarap na to gawing cake. I don't know kung paano. So, ito naman ang grilled. Nag-grill kami doon. Nagtipon-tipon kami sa labas. Doon kami naupo. Tapos, ito yung grilled na castañas. Ito yung kinakain namin. Nagtipon-tipon kami sa ganitong panahon. Malamig, kumakain, inom ng wine. So, gano'n yun, yung celebration namin ng São Martinhos. So, ganyan. So, yeah. Ito yung castañas na grilled. So, ganyan. Pero hindi naman ito sa Pilipinas pag December. So, anyway, Beatrice got a new sock from her Lola. Lola, ilabhan natin to. She got a pair of socks. Kasi winter na kasi, guys. Kaya, ano na din. So, she got also a ball pen from Germany. I don't know if it's still working. This is pencil, Papa? Or ball pen?
Ball pen.
This is still working? For sure, because Lola...
It's from Germany.
So, where did she bought it? Did it still work?
We don't buy cheap things in Germany.
So, ganun. Oo nga, hindi kasi bumibili ng mamumurahin doon. proud. Oo, totoo naman.
It's a local brand, it's a good quality.
So, yun. Galing sa Germany. Ka-German pa tayo, guys. Ganyan. So, yeah. Tapos, ano pa ba dito, Beatrice? Nag-grocery ako ng konti, guys. Beatrice, you want milk, chocolate drinks, or you want tea?
I say tea.
Tea.
I say tea.
How about you, tea too?
I say coffee.
Oh, coffee. So, yeah. Mga don yan dito. Coffee. Don.
Huis will be visible.
So, you will still want to eat bread or you want only the lettuce wants tea. So, magti-tea lang siya. Magsi-cereal. So, ganyan. So, bumili tayo ng grocery para sa ating pagkain. Nakakainin today. Naglalaro yung isa dyan. So, we bought this one. And, bumili tayo nito. Ito yung kakainin namin. Hindi na kami kakain ng tinapay. May coffee ako galing Lidl. Gustong-gusto kong coffee na yon. May natira pa ako, guys. May natira pa ako. Ako, uminom kasi ako ng wine. Sarap nung pag kumain ka ng kasanya, tapos uminom ka ng wine. Perfect combination yun. Yung outfit natin today. Yung sa ano natin? Sa pa. Ganyan, guys. Are you okay there, Beatrice? Yeah? May naglalaro ka agad. May assignment pa yan. May assignment pa yan.
I want to put
Yeah. Of course.